In this video, we'll show how to collect data from the ignition while it's removed to program another key. Not used, it must be brand new. You will not be able to program a used key. It would have to be brand new. Those keys you buy aftermarket, there's two options to program them. You remove the ignition and connect to this little device, and the device connects to that other device. Or when you have it installed in the car, you gotta use this tool. Connects back here, and you can read the key information. Also, this board over here has got a wiring diagram. So everything is wired back of the ignition. The ignition is function. So now this is a little longer step. Once you have this diagram installed, you close it. Go over here, where ignition, click read. What it's asking is to insert this part, but we're not gonna do it. We're just gonna go cancel. So now you can wipe the memory, you can activate the ignition, you can disable keys, you can enable keys, you can check the status, you can save the data, you can load, write, clear, all kinds of stuff. Obviously this is activated module. For anything you do, you have to get password, erase password, enable password, and this over here. You click on it, you don't have the correct password. And then you want to check the key, how many starts, if it's blank, if it's not blank. The way you do it, pull the key out of the ignition and you insert it into the machine. Now the key is inserted. We'll just go read right key. We're using the infrared. Read the key. And it shows how many times it's been used and available times, SSID, position 4, and some other numbers. So for, like I said, anything you need to get a password. You need to get this password. Now how to get to the password, you go generate password. And this will automatically identifies the ignition. So take the key out of the machine, insert it into the ignition, and you gotta click collect data. You have to click others because you're programming a new key. Please insert the key into the ignition. Now we insert the key into the machine. Remove from the device, insert to the ignition. Click OK. Basically turn on the ignition. Click OK. Turn off. Remove it. Insert to the machine. Remove the key from the machine. Insert to the ignition. You just follow the steps, whatever shows on the screen. The percentage is 52, 54, you keep going up. Right now it's collecting all the information from the key and the ignition at the same time. Now it's time to pull the key for 5 seconds exactly. Insert it back in the ignition. You have to repeat this step a few times. That doesn't mean something went wrong. You just have to repeat it. Sometimes work with 2 times, 3 times, sometimes 5, 6 times. Wait exactly 5 seconds. Now it's gonna save this file to any file you have. So we're gonna select 2024, so we know which file we're working on. Save it over here. Save the file successfully. Please upload the data to calculate the password. So now you gotta click OK, and now we have to upload the data. The exact same file you just saved will be this one right here. We open, let the uploaded successfully. Please click the query results button, click OK, and just click over here. This will take a few seconds to a minute. Password computing successful, just press OK, and now this is the password. So now we click copy, and you either go over here, read, you can paste the password, now if this was a blank key, it would show different stuff over here. So since it's a use key, we're gonna go right here, ignition, We're gonna read the data. Now, if I click here get password, copy password, paste, copy, now you got all the passwords. You can wipe, you can activate, disable, you can do all the information.